everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. A very happy Halloween to all of you. I hope you all have fun today and do something crazy and spooky today. And also welcome to the final Halloween makeup video for this year. And today I'm not going to tell you anything about what I'm going to do. मैं कुछ नहीं बताऊंगी, कोई कलर नहीं, कोई डिज़ाइन नहीं, क्या करूंगी, क्या बनाऊंगी, कुछ नहीं बताऊंगी. I'm just gonna start with the makeup and in the end you can see for yourself कि मैं क्या करती हूँ. So without any further ado, let's begin. So the first step is as usual eyes, and सबसे पहले I will be applying the concealer, and today I'm using this Magic Wand waterproof concealer by Sugar. Now I'll go in with my Huda Beauty's Coral Obsession palette, and I'll be using this brown shade, and I will apply it all over my transition area. Now I'm gonna use this Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette by Sugar, and I'm gonna apply this brown shade above my lid area. Now I will go in with my MAC Light Festival palette, and I will use this brown shade Embark and apply it again over the lid area. Now using the same concealer by Sugar, I'm gonna cut my crease but only till the center of the lid area. Now on the lid area जहाँ पे अभी cut crease करा है, I'm gonna apply this pigment. This is by Fenty Beauty and it's in the shade Ice Cream. And again I'm gonna use a flat brush for it. And I'm again gonna take this brown shade Embark, and यहाँ पे एकदम outer corner पे I'm gonna blend it with the golden shade. Now it's time for eyeliner, and I'm using Revlon's Color Stay Skinny Liquid Liner. Next is mascara, and I'm using this Lash Mob Limitless Mascara by Sugar. And Lakme Iconics Black Kajal. So I applied some false eyelashes and the eyes are now done. Now we can move on to the face, and उसके लिए सबसे पहले I will apply the primer. So the primer I'm using today is Sugar's The Most Eligible Smoothing Primer. And now for foundation, I'm using this Ace of Face foundation stick by Sugar. And blend it with the beauty blender. And I'm using the same concealer जो पहले लिया था, and this time I applied it only under the eyes and और कहीं भी नहीं face पे. Now again I'm gonna take this palette and this brown color Embark, and this time I'm gonna apply it on my lower lash line. And now we finally come to the face, and face के लिए सबसे पहले let's do the nose and the forehead area. So for that I'm gonna go in with this Sugar palette, and I'm gonna use this brown shade again, and I'm gonna draw a line from here nose के यहाँ से till around here. And then I'm gonna blend it with more brown color. वो आगे की बात है, but let's just draw the line. Basically जहाँ पे हमारी eyebrow start हो रही है वहीं से नीचे and वहीं से ऊपर. Now I'm taking the same shade and इसको I'm gonna blend it outwards. Now again I'm gonna take a darker brown shade which is this one Embark. So basically आज brown बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ होंगे, तो मैं जो अभी यूज़ कर रही हूँ वो repeatedly आते रहेंगे. So yeah, Embark. And इसको I will apply ये जो eyebrow के ऊपर ये वाला इतना area है ना यहाँ पे, and I'll blend it अच्छे से. Going back with this brown color, I'm gonna blend the darker one and इसको मैं थोड़ा सा extend करूँगी, थोड़ा सा ऊपर and almost eyebrow के end तक. ओके सो ये बीच की लाइन थोड़ी सी ख़राब हो गई, सो आई एम गोना टेक द कंसीलर एंड इसको थोड़ा सा डिफाइन करते हैं. ओके सो वी आर डन विद द फोरहेड एंड नाउ अब चीक एरिया करना है. सो उसके लिए आई एम गोना ड्रॉ लाइक अ चीक बोन, अ न्यू चीक बोन, जैसे स्कल की होती है ना, एकदम डिफाइन टाइप वैसी. सो फर्स्ट आई एम गोना ड्रॉ द आउटलाइन एंड फॉर दैट आई एम यूजिंग दिस कलरबार्स वाओ ब्राउ पेंसिल जस्ट टू मेक द आउटलाइन. Okay, so this is the outline. Now I'm gonna take the darkest brown color embark and a final outline बनाऊंगी मैं इसी के ऊपर. And same brown color लेके I'm gonna blend it अंदर की तरफ. Now I'm gonna go back with this color, a lighter brown shade, and blend it with the darker one. Done with the cheeks, and now I will again go back to the nose, and on the nose I'm gonna draw a little black flame, and for that I'm gonna use my Lakme's Iconic Kajal. ओके टॉप से थोड़ा सा फैल गया है, सो आई हैव टू डिफाइन इट एंड उसके लिए आई हैव टू यूज़ द कंसीलर एंड अ वेरी स्मॉल थिन ब्रश. Okay, so the nose is also done and now we come to the last part of today's look, which is the lips. And lips के लिए भी I'm gonna go in with the same concealer and I'm gonna apply the concealer all over my lips ताकि एक neutral एकदम एक blank slate बन जाए. Now I'm gonna go in with this pigment. This is by some company Maddie. I've never heard of this name. ये बहुत टाइम से पड़ा हुआ है मेरे पास, मेरे को अपने खजाने में मिला. So basically it's a whitish pigment with a silverish tint to it. So I'm gonna apply this pigment all over my lips. And again I'm gonna go back to this dark brown shade embark and I'm gonna draw some lines over my lips. Now I'm just gonna apply some highlighter and I'm using this Skylighters in the shade French Vanilla. And now the last step for this look is sequences. So I'm gonna apply these sequences somewhere on my face. These are just local sequences. I got them from Amazon. कोई brand नहीं है इनका. So let's apply them on the face. And this is it. This is the final Halloween look for this season. I really hope that you all like this look. I absolutely love it and let me tell you, this is not difficult at all. It looks difficult but है नहीं. मेरे को ये पूरा look A to Z करने में सिर्फ 1 hour लगा. So it's not difficult at all. So you can definitely try it out. It's super easy to do and it looks amazing. So please don't forget to give this video and all the other Halloween videos, if you haven't seen them, please don't forget to give them a like, share them with your friends, family, everyone. Show them this look, especially this one because it's really easy to do. So please like करो, share करो, comment करके मेरे को बताओ आपको 500 में से सबसे अच्छा कौन सा लगा, सबसे बुरा कौन सा लगा. And follow me on Instagram पे भी all these looks are there, so वहाँ पे भी follow करो. And now I won't tell you to suggest me new Halloween looks because खत्म हो चुका है इस साल के लिए. So with that we end Halloween makeup series for this year. I will definitely see you all next year with more Halloween looks. I am super happy I did this series and next year also I will do it. So stay tuned for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Subscribe please kar dena. And we'll meet not next year, we will meet next week with the normal makeup. We'll come back to a normal routine, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video next week, not next year, next week. So till then, take care, bye.